This brand is made in China by Cielo and can be purchased directly through their website or their Amazon store. Their smart thermostat is Wi-Fi enabled and is compatible with most 24-volt HVAC systems but not communicating equipment from the major brands. The controls include motion detection, geofencing, and weekly scheduling for balancing energy savings with home comfort. They provide live weather monitoring with energy usage insights and work with most smart home control systems. They provide a C-wire adapter to work in homes where the thermostat wiring does not have a common C wire. The Breez Max control is very innovative as it has an auto-detection algorithm to detect and connect with over 20,000 models of mini split, window, and portable AC units. This allows the features of their smart thermostat to be applied to non-traditional cooling systems. The Eco models are their latest offering and they give you a better understanding of your HVAC system usage patterns so that you can save energy. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.